Good morning, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, this is an example of the TELPAS form that y'all have. So this is the version that you've got, right? You have to be, using a Chromebook to make it work. So make sure that if you've got a Chromebook at home, then that is what you're using to go ahead and get logged in. So I can't access this one, but this is the teacher example one that I'll show you how to do. So of course, we'll fill this out, all regular information. Okay, let's see here. Whatever the day is when you're taking it, whatever your teacher is, whatever our class is. For us, it would be language arts. Okay. So, it will tell us what the subject is and what our grade is. So for us, it should be 6th grade language arts. It'll give us directions here. So this one says, write a detailed essay addressing the prompt below. Basically, make sure you answer the question below. Use between 300 and 600 words, and it should tell you. So the prompt will be written right there. I'll say something like, tell us about a time when you learned something, or something very vague like that. Basically, think of something that answers the question, give them a few details that get you in that word count. So, blah, blah, blah. This is not for a grade, so you don't need to stress about it, but do go ahead and try your best because we have to turn this into the district. Alrighty, so once I'm done with all my writing, maybe spell checked it, all of that sort of stuff, I will go ahead and hit submit. Oh, but if I do not have the right word count, right, it will not let me submit. So you have not been in it. Keep going. So if I need between 300 and 600 words, right? See how quickly we can get there. That looks like it might be 300 words. Let's see. Haha, it worked. All right, and then I'm done. So make sure that you see this message, otherwise you did not hit submit. And if you close the window without hitting submit, it will not save your answers. So make sure that you see this before you close that little tab. Alrighty, y'all. Email me if you got questions, or we can talk in class. Bye.